Have you ever wondered if it's possible to turn just one single dollar into $10,000? It sounds like a fairy tale, right? Well, today I'm going to tell you the incredible story of Kyle McDonald, who actually did it. No lottery, no gambling, just a simple red paperclip and a whole lot of creative trading. It all started back in 2005. Kyle was sitting at his desk, looking at a red paperclip, and had a wild idea inspired by a childhood trading game. He posted an ad online offering to trade his red paperclip for something bigger or better. His first trade, he got a fish-shaped pen. He then traded that pen for a hand-sculpted doorknob with a funny face. This set off a chain reaction of 14 trades over the course of a year. The doorknob was traded for a camping stove, the stove for a generator, the generator for a party package with a keg and an illuminated Budweiser sign. Things started getting bigger. He traded that party for a snowmobile. Seeing a pattern here, each trade was a step up. Next, he traded the snowmobile for a trip to Yacht, British Columbia. Then, he traded that trip for a box truck. The truck was traded for a recording contract with a music label. A young singer, Jody Nant, traded her year-long rental of a house in Phoenix, Arizona for that recording contract. Now Kyle had a year's rent in Phoenix. He then traded that for an afternoon with the rock star, Alice Cooper. You won't believe what happened next. He traded the afternoon with Alice Cooper for a Kiss snow globe. I know, it sounds like a step back, but a huge Kiss fan and Hollywood director, Corbin Burnson, was a major collector and offered Kyle a role in his upcoming film in exchange for the snow globe. This was the final piece of the puzzle. The town of Kipling, Saskatchewan, wanted to bring some publicity to their community. They offered Kyle a 2-story farmhouse in their town in exchange for the movie role. And just like that, 1 year after starting with a single red paperclip, Kyle McDonald had a house. The town valued the house at around $10,000. So, from a red paperclip to a house. This story isn't just about money. It's about creativity, persistence, and the power of human connection. It shows that with a bit of imagination, you can start with almost nothing and achieve something extraordinary. What do you think you could trade up from? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories.